All right, this is a good one. Man, this is a great one to finish off the day. Went inside, nice house, beautiful, clean. And the customer, super nice, husband and wife. And basically, you know, go get what you need. I'm gonna get the shop vac. I'm gonna get the tape. I'm gonna tape up the vent. Hang on a minute. And they use duct tape and it's starting to peel off. So we're gonna use the right kind of tape. Okay. Grab it right here. All right. And I need a screwdriver to open up the clamps. So that's it. Right now, screwdriver, shop vac, and the tape. We're gonna head in and we're gonna do what we gotta do. And what you wanna do is you wanna find the dryer vent on the outside of the house. Well, I see a cover there, but that's not it. Oh, there it is, right there. Okay. So, let's do this. Let's get access into the garden here. Clean this off. All right, so it turns out that cover I saw was to that, so I put it back on after I cleaned it. So that's done. I reach my hand into that vent. It goes in about, some going about 2 feet. You can go in there with your arm, twist your hands left and right, and kind of clean out the tube. Now I'm gonna head in. I'm gonna disconnect the vent line from the dryer. We're gonna clean that dryer out in the back. Those guys are cutting shit next door. Yeah. So let me go and clean out the dryer. We'll check the vent out, make sure everything is nice and clean, make sure the it's taped up right, and that's it. We'll be good to go. Cool. This is a cool, it's a pretty cool garage. I like that sign. I like that picture. That's pretty cool. All right, so if you're wondering how to clean a dryer vent, obviously you get to the dryer, okay? Pull it away from the wall. You know, even if it's in a kitchen or in a cabinet space or something, pull it out. There should be extra extension of this so you can pull it out. And most of the time there's a clamp on this thing. Where is it? There's not a lot of light in here. Let's turn this thing. So if you look here, it's a hose clamp. A big one. Use a screwdriver. Sorry about that. So you get down here, you find the clamp, get your screwdriver on it, and just loosen the screw. It loosens the clamp. Then you can pull this thing off, okay? And there you go. So what I like to do, not only do I clean the pipe, I like to get in here and make sure there's no obstructions in the dryer. I'll put my shop vac in there and clean it out. And this goes up, goes behind this wall, and the daisy chain's back about 25, 30 feet. So I'm gonna go through all that. We're gonna make sure if there's any cuts or opens, and we're gonna put some tape on it. All right. Get your vacuum. All right, you're gonna obviously put it in there, move it around. You might have to put your hand in there slowly and just feel around. Try to loosen up some of the crap. All right. done, put your flashlight on and check, but this thing it's clean all the way through. I don't have a light on me, but you can see it goes in about 3.5 feet. That's very clean. What I do is I take care of this. This is all nice. I put my hand over it and it sucks up, and then I back feed it and I let a little bit go at a time. And you can see the inside is nice and clear and clean. Now let me go to the other sections and we'll take a look. Well, you can't see it because I'm in the dark, but this is taped from like a steel to the flexible, and it's used duct tape here. It's all falling apart from the condensation, so I'm going to replace it with the heating and air conditioning tape, and then I'll check my connections leaving the house. All right, well, I'm finished with that. I cut the vent back about 5 feet. It was too long. Cleaned it all out. Spoke to the customer. Remember, when you're doing jobs for new customers, always remind them you're available to do anything. If they need anything done, small, large, whatever, call anytime, all right? And that's it. So we're heading back home. That's it for today. And I'm gonna go home and enjoy my kids. Now remember one thing out there, the most important thing of all. Subscribe, kid. Share and like the video, all right? Don't talk crap about my truck, because it's an older one. It's my baby. And you know what I'm gonna do on the way home, bro. That's right, kid. That's getting in my stomach, kid. All right, we're gonna talk to you soon. And I appreciate all the new subscribers and all the people who comment. I appreciate it.
And Drewski.
We'll catch you. Have a good weekend. Take care now.